Okay guys, the last box, I need to hurry up because it's the biggest box, is from Fab Fit Fun. I've never received something from them before, so I'm pretty excited. It's kind of like a subscription box. It's kind of like Ipsy, but it has more different things in one box. So beauty, fashion, like home stuff, maybe like lifestyle, wellness stuff, maybe food, like different things, not necessarily beauty. Okay, so it's pretty interesting. So that's why I'm so excited, because there's just a little bit of everything. It's just so cool. So let me open the box. It's so huge. And first of all, I love the packaging. It's blue, the sticker. So this is winter theme, I think. If not, I'll put the title here. This is the box. Ooh, so nice. It almost feels naughty. All right. So this is a winter 23 Fab Fit Fun. So I'm so excited. Okay, so I need to hurry up. Okay, let me cut the tape in. Ooh, okay. This is how it looks inside. Oh wow, you can win $1,000. You have to enter here. I might enter that. I do need $1,000, like for real, to go to school, get a car. You know, I need it. I need the money. Okay. Yay. Okay, so the first thing I see is from Accesories. This is a what? Oh, Probiotic restorable biodegradable mask. Okay, so I'm guessing this is a face mask, right? Yeah, it's a sheet mask. This is the bag. Yeah, definitely sheet mask. So this you apply on your face for 30 minutes and then you just remove it. So let me open it up and see how it looks. All right. So, oh, it comes in 4 pack. So yeah, 4 sheet packs. Yay. I love sheet masks. So it looks like this and like this. So this is a nourishing, calming, and protect your skin. So perfect for right now. I'm pretty excited. By the way, sorry, I'm choking. By the way, before I show everything else, they did send me a form to fill out, and well, they didn't send it to me directly, but I'm saying the form that I had to fill out, they asked me questions, okay? And each category, they told me to pick the one that I wanted the most out of all the options. So all of these options that I chose, that I received, are the ones that I chose, okay? If that makes sense. But they said that if they don't have any of the things that I chose, they might send me something random. So we'll see. I hope I get whatever I chose. If not, it's fine. So, okay. It's getting stuck. It hurts to put this inside. Okay, whatever. I need to hurry up. Okay, so the next thing is, yeah, topicals. I love this brand. This brand helped me not have so many red bumps and scarring. Like, I need to repurchase that. Anyway, so this is their eye mask. Okay, I've never tried their eye mask, but I see a lot of people wear their eye mask. Pretty trendy. So I said I need them. So it comes like this, a regular sheet. This is the bag. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, they put a lot. Yay, so exciting. Ooh. Okay. I love the noise. It sounds like. Okay. It reminded me of Grease. Whenever they used to have those pictures and they would flap it like this. I don't know. Okay, I'm getting distracted. So my chest is hurting. I don't know why. Maybe because I haven't drank or ate. Oh, I know I did eat a little bit of banana. Okay, I need to hurry. Okay, I need to hurry up. Okay. Yay, what is this? Yes, okay. Yes, I'm so excited because this is a crossbody bag. Not just any, from Rebecca Minkos, I think. I've never had a designer brand. I need a bag that's small so I can use every day. So that's why I'm very excited because I didn't have one. Mine broke, ripped, like the handle, because it was so heavy. I had to put a lot of stuff inside. That's why I'm so happy because I needed this so bad. Finally. And I ended up buying a bag, but it's like big. I'm like, I didn't think I should have gotten a smaller one. So now I don't have to buy another one. I can just use this. And it's perfect because it's black. It's good for every day. So it's Christmas day. And it's studded. It has studs. It looks fancy. Like I just love it. It looks rich. It feels rich. It feels soft. And I like that it has these studs. It's so pretty. It's just black. Yeah, Rebecca Minkoff. Okay. Look, it comes with this zipper. Okay, I want to see inside. Let's see. Okay, it's just traditional black. It also has like a mini zipper inside. Whenever I go out, I don't need to carry a super big bag. I can just carry this. Like, I'm so excited. So, and obviously it comes with this crossbody. You can put this in your shoulder, or maybe if you're not into that, maybe carry it like this or like a regular pouch. I don't know, but yeah, maybe because you can. Oh no, I thought you could remove these, but never mind, you can. So wow, I'm so excited because I really needed this. It matches so well with my outfit right now. Wow, I'm just so happy. I need it. I really needed that. Ooh, my favorite thing is that. Okay. Ooh, yeah. I don't think, did I choose this? I don't remember. Okay, so this is this brand DPQ. I don't know. I've never seen this brand before, but this is apple cider vinegar exfoliating scalp detox. So this is for your scalp. If y'all know me, I have dry scalp, dry eczema, dry everything. So I have dandruff. Okay, so I'm hoping this helps with that. So this is detoxifying. It's pre-wash. Okay, so I'm guessing before you shower with shampoo, you use this for your scalp, and then shower regular. So this removes excess oil and product buildup. So that's that. Okay, interesting. So you just massage it into your scalp and just leave it on for 8 to 10 minutes, and then you just remove it, and then you go with your shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so that's pretty cool. This might make your scalp feel super clean if you go with this before your regular shampoo. So I'm excited. Let me smell it. I've never tried something like this. So let's see. Oops, I pushed a little too hard, but it's clear and it does smell like apple cider vinegar. That smell is a little too strong. It doesn't smell that nice, but it has a lot of health benefits. It helps you, so I really don't mind as long as I don't have a lot of dryness, flaky scalp, and like I really don't care. So wow. Okay, they sent me nail polish. Okay, this is from London Town. haven't heard of this brand, but this is a reddish and like a silvery shade. So this is the Frosted Berries Duo. So this supposedly is like a cruelty-free vegan nail polish brand, and that caught my eye. I was like, I wear a lot of nail polish and most of them have chemicals, and supposedly this one doesn't. So I was like, let me give this a try, right? And I wear red a lot, so I need to repurchase it. My red is running out. My favorite everyday red is getting crusty. So that's why now I'm using this super bright red now, but this one looks similar. Oh no, this one's darker, but it's fine. So it's very pretty. It's still okay. It's a classic red. Okay, so this is the brand Decor. I don't know because it also says by London Town. Girl, I'm freaking out. I'm so excited. I kind of want to smell it to see if it smells super strong. Oh yeah, it smells like traditional nail polish, but I noticed the wand is shorter and thicker. You see? Most ones are skinnier, so that's interesting. Okay, and the second nail polish, it looks more like a whitish silver shade. Oh, I love it. It's kind of like a frosted shimmer white. It's perfect for the holidays. So this is in the shade Powder, and this is in the shade Changing of the Guards. I'll put the names here, but wow, I think I love this one too. Like, what? I don't really have these type of shades, so wow. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, and the last thing they sent me is this. So let's see. This is, oh, these are cocktail glasses. So this is to drink. This is Citrine brand, looks like. So this is a crystal. So it doesn't feel that heavy, by the way, but this crystal glass is not plasticky. Ooh, okay. So I hear you're supposed to drink water with glass and not plastic cups. Okay, so I'm excited because I do need a crystal clear cup because I just drink in plastic. So it comes with this. Ooh, they're pretty big. I thought they were gonna be smaller. Ooh, and it's a cool design. It looks like water raindrops, you see? And wow, it's a pretty interesting design. I thought it was just gonna be clear. It fits my whole hand. It's pretty thick and chubby. Like, it has a lot of space. I thought it was gonna be skinnier. This is cool. I didn't check if it's BPA free. It doesn't say on here. Is it? But it is dishwasher safe and microwave safe. I wouldn't use it in the microwave. I think it's not BPA free. I don't know. I hope it doesn't have anything. I'm scared. So yeah, they sent me a matching set. It's just, you see, it's very real. It's hard. And I saw on TikTok a lady say if the difference you can know if it's crystal or not is by going like this, and if it's like a long ding 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 sound, it's the real crystal. And this one, I guess, is not the real one. It's not really going long. I don't know. I forgot. But oh, you see, I'm already breaking things. So I am excited for my bag and this. Like, Wow. Okay, okay, I'm excited for everything, but I really needed a crystal cup in the bag. That's why I'm most excited. And because it's not beauty, I usually get beauty stuff. That's why. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this unboxing. I mainly unboxed everything today. So thank you so much, Fab Fit Fun, for sending me this box. Man, I'm good to go this year. I literally don't need anything for Christmas, I think. I really have everything I need for it, because, well, this to me is my Christmas gift. These unboxings, the things that I received. Okay, so thank you, friends, for sending me a Christmas present. To me, it's a Christmas present, okay? Not just for Christmas time, but all year round, because literally, like, okay, so, right, I'm gonna stop being cheesy, like, but this is pretty cool. It's just like raindrops inside of the cup. I've never seen this before. It's pretty cool. It feels like inside I feel like the texture, but outside it feels soft. It's pretty. I can't stop playing with this. It feels interesting. Like, what? Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna end it here. So bye. Everything's funny. Bye. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, and Merry Christmas, in case I don't get to say it whenever Christmas here. Happy holidays. Having an amazing 2023 and 2024. Okay, Happy New Year's. What else? Happy 3 Days Kings. I don't know. Not a lot of people celebrate that. Happy Hanukkah. People celebrate that. What else? I think people celebrate Kwanzaa. I don't really know. All of the, okay, happy holidays there. That's why people say happy holidays, to get everything at once. Not everybody celebrates Christmas, but yeah, happy holidays, and yeah, stay safe, have fun, okay? And thank you so much for the support. Okay, thank you, and just have fun, okay? Be you, just do your thing. You'll get it. If you don't get it this time, you'll get it next time. Doesn't matter, everything you do in life, okay? Don't give up and keep trying. Go pursue your goals, dreams, like go out more, try to meet people more. That's what I did this year a little bit. It sucks, but just do a little change, okay? Just at least one thing. Okay, you still have time. We still have like, what, 2 weeks left before the year ends, okay? But if not, do it next year. Who the frick cares? But just do it, okay? It doesn't matter. There's never gonna be the perfect timing. Just do it, okay? Okay, so that's it. Okay, bye. Thanks so much.